Ooh, we're gonna go down there by that waterfall. Look at that, they got a little boat over there in a dock. Ah, there we go. I don't want civilians to call the cops on me. If they did come, I'm practicing my emergency braking, you know? Oh God, is this the cops? What are you doing? I'm just practicing emergency braking, speeding up.
Someone called and complained.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, you're not doing really anything wrong. I just, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I appreciate it.
Yep, no problem. Be careful.
Thank you, have a good one.
Yep.
Alright, boys, well, we gotta get out of here. Holy. Hi, boys, we're back. Only new thing is I got the Puig or the Puig windshield. Excited to use it. I went with the R Racer, so yeah, this will be the first ride with it. I did lose one of my mics. I had it in my backpack for just a straight audio ride, and unfortunately my backpack was open and that mic's gone, and it was an expensive one, so live and you learn. So that's exactly what we're gonna do, boys. I'm actually I've hit my first 500 miles on the bike, and I believe we're gonna go try to learn some clutch ups. I don't know how they're gonna go. So my game plan is to learn how to stunt as quick as possible. Especially I got the 636. There's no reason not to, and it'll keep me safe from going 150 down the highway. I'd be learning wheelies at 35 miles an hour. So did plan on getting frame sliders first, but I wanted to get a rear stand to clean my chain, and they had these Puig windscreens in stock. I was like, yep, that's what we're gonna get. So I live right next to these fairgrounds, and yep, that's where we're gonna go. It should just be a bit of an open stretch for us. People like to go on walks here. Yeah, this is the road I wanted to learn on. It looks like people are walking on it right now. Oh, it's kind of how I plan on learning, so. Alright, well, I think I could feel the front end loosen up a little bit, so. I feel like maybe I need to go faster. I am in rider mode. I have traction control off, full power, and I don't have ABS, so. Oh, the best one yet, boys. Hey, let's go. Was nothing crazy at all, but I mean, I definitely could even see it in the shadow. I got the wheel off the ground there. That felt really good. I mean, it was a little, you know, you get a little scared, but first, definitely time we got the wheel off the ground pretty good. Oh, yeah, that scared me. I did it though, I did it, that was right. I didn't stay, lean back, let off the gas immediately because I was pretty terrified. Hit the rear brake. Ooh, ooh. Uh-oh, let go all of. I can hear it's not climbing the revs. Yeah, right there is when you gotta release. I'm such a wuss. I'm such a wuss, guys. Come on. got the wheel up. I want to stand up on my bike. I know I need to just learn sitting down, but got the wheel up, boys. That's what we're looking for consistently. And it's funny because I take my toe off of the rear brake as soon as the wheel comes up, which is the exact opposite thing what you're supposed to do. It's the smallest, like that much off the ground, guys. I had it like there, like twice, and you really do feel like you're 12 o'clock in it. Not actually, but. Little pop. Worst pop, I don't understand that. There's a truck. I don't want civilians to call the cops on me. If they did come, I'm practicing my emergency braking, you know? Little wheelies, no problemos. I guess it is a problemo. Prodigy though. Alright, come on, boys. Right here. I'm running this shit to the end. Comes up a hair. A hair, guys. Ah! I thought the 636 was the GOAT. I'm obviously just a skill issue. I'm so annoyed, dude. I thought I was gonna be a prodigy. First try hero. Oh, this is hilarious. This is hilarious. If anybody's seen me doing this, dude, they'd probably be like, is this guy, what is he? They wouldn't know what I'm trying to do. I don't even think they'd think that I'm trying to learn how to wheelie. Just ever so slightly up right there. Ooh. Got the wheel up a little bit right there too. Got Casio. Alright. Turn it back. I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. There we go. Alright guys, let's learn a couple woolies. Oh god, is this the cops?
Drive your bike? Are you learning how to drive your bike?
Hello?
What are you doing?
I'm just practicing emergency braking, speeding up and...
Figured someone called and complained.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So,
I'll get out of here.
I appreciate it. Just, they said it was a dirt bike, so I don't...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's loud.
Yeah, I mean, you're not doing really anything wrong. I just,
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I appreciate it.
Yep, no problem. Be careful.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Yep.
Alright, boys. Well, we gotta get out of here. Holy. Well, let's just get on out of here. And turn up the tunes, boys. Yeah, the police station's right next there, so I normally have zero luck with the Appas Stappas, so that actually went pretty smooth. Yeah, we're gonna go to this place. It's a park right up here. It's all slow. It's like 25 miles an hour through it, but it's a beautiful place. I wish I came there when it was still sunny. The thing to note is I built that car wash right there a few years ago. yeah, this is where we're going. I should definitely take the ND filter off. I might do that real quick. Guys, check it out. This is what the ND filter does. It's really dark in here, so hopefully that looks a little bit better, and hopefully I don't scratch up this lens at all. This is where I put my mic that I lost. It was in this pocket, and I didn't zip it up. The zippers are broken anyhow, but yeah, it was the only thing in there to record my exhaust, and it's gone. So fortunately you can order a single one, but it's still like $100 or so. Beautiful day today. I wish I got to ride more. It's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to anybody that, you know, had a good Mother's Day or is a mother. But yeah, definitely in the fall, this would be an amazing place to ride on a sunny fall day. I think it's pulling over for me. I don't know though. Is he hopping back on the road? Yeah, he just let me go out in front of him. What a G. Little does he know I'm an absolute beginner. Am I right, guys? What a place to ride. This is where the Isle of Man TT should be held. I might turn around up here. There's a deer right here. That's what you gotta be careful for, boys. You know, coming in here quick. Hey. I'm gonna... What do they got? They both got ZX4s. That's cool. Alright, let's go down here. I thought their ZX4s guys would be right around here. Hey. But she's so... Jessie Jennifer forever. Look at that. They got a little boat over there in a dock. Would be pretty cool. Visor up. It'd be really bad if my mic fell out right now, but... Get a little Snapchat video, why not? Gonna work. Alright, we'll get a little TikTok too. Looks good to me, we'll just post it. Man, alright. Are we still filming this? I don't know how long this video's been, but got a quick video of our picture. I'm gonna eat you. But yeah, if you guys want to see the bike, this is what she looks like with the new windshield on. I think I'm gonna get the mirror block off plates. I'm definitely gonna get the heel guards. But the next thing we're getting is just some TST frame sliders. So when I'm practicing my woolies, you know, worst comes to worst, we'll be a little protected at least. You know, you'll probably total the bike if you loop it, but she's a pretty thing. She's a beautiful thing. And I love this thing. I wish they were around here somewhere. But doesn't seem like it. Biker bros, that's the truth. I know a couple people from the gym that bike, but haven't really met any people on the road. Yeah, that's the mill right there. Now we'll go home. Let's see, bruh. Ooh, fuck.